Higgsfield AI review plus beginner tutorial for Higgsfield. Now, Higgsfield over here is a browser-based generative video platform that allows creators from marketers to filmmakers to turn images or prompts into cinematic short clips with motion, camera moves, effects, and style presets. Now, the fact that Higgsfield over here has tons of features, unpacking them in one singular video would take quite some time. So we're just going to explain a few of its general idea and its basic main features. So of course, to start up with using Higgsfield, you're gonna have to sign up or log in. You can do this in their website. They do have an app for this. But to do this, just go ahead and press and sign up. You can use your emails or it's pretty much the fastest option. But once you're inside the dashboard, you should be able to explore immediately. You could create images, videos directly. You can do edits as well, and also create characters. So from a singular feature right here, let's say the images, as you can see, there's already multiple features that exist. So whatever it does say, that's pretty much what it does. So create image, and it says generate AI images. You can imagine what it does, which is pretty much to generate AI images. You have other features here as well. For example, you have face swap, create realistic face swap. So you have two people to pretty much swap their own faces. There's also the trending stuff, I suppose. Here in the top, you have Halloween packs, visual effects. You can imagine what they do over here. Let's say we have transformations over here for a specific person, another transformation. Most of these are transformations, I suppose. Other than that, there's also visual effects, Higgsfield apps, camera controls. Oh, here's the viral section, I suppose. There's also pricing over here if you want more features from the already multiple features that exist. But from those features, there are credits you're gonna have to use. So you can see your credits in your profile, I suppose. So there's the basic subscription, pro, ultimate, and creator, and you can see whatever features you get right here in the bottom. So if these fit you, then of course you can go ahead and get them with your personalized payment method. But if you want more of the information of what features you can get per feature on free image, videos, speaking, characters, basic, pro, ultimate, and then creators. If you want more information, there's also frequently asked questions. You can go ahead and take a look at that. But you should be able to directly use all of the features using credits in Higgsfield. If you want to learn more, of course, you can always try and exploring inside the website or app itself. The final features here in the top right, they have their Discord. You can go ahead and join for announcements and pretty much more that pretty much just involves Higgsfield. And finally, your profile over here in the top right, you can manage your account, you can see your boards, and finally your main profile itself. But that's pretty much the general idea on what Higgsfield is all about. Mostly just AI stuff and creation. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.